Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Crew Volkswagen. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID5 Style. This vehicle comes with a 77 kilowatt hour battery pushing out to 286 PS. This example comes finished in the lovely solid paint colour Moonstone Grey. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of matrix LED headlamps with automatic headlight control, poor weather light as well as entry lighting. Helping you park and manoeuvre, there's a set of front parking sensors. Moving round to the side and down below we'll find a set of 21-inch Narvik alloy wheels which come in a multi-spoke design. Approaching the rear of the vehicle we'll find a stylish rear end, some privacy glass towards the rear of the vehicle as well as a stylish spoiler. Also aiding in parking and manoeuvring, there's a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot space, there is a large amount of storage space, perfect for everyday family life. In the back of the vehicle there is a 3-seater bench with a folding armrest in the middle, and plenty of natural sunlight is let in thanks to the panoramic glass sunroof. For the driver and front passenger we have an armrest on each of the seats, as well as all the seats come finished in a mix of leather and cloth upholstery. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system which allows you to access all your favourite radio stations, connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as use the inbuilt navigation. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find a few cup holders as well as a handy storage compartment. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel with some touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID5 Style. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.